Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Confirm the file type and any linked resources so nothing breaks after moving. Make a new folder with a clear name and set appropriate permissions. This prevents accidental access issues. Once created, copy the original file into a backup location so you can revert if needed. Then open your file manager or terminal. You are ready to perform the first move operation. Use drag and drop or a move command to place the file into the new folder. You now execute the precise move operation and preserve metadata. If using a GUI, drag and drop while holding modifier keys to copy versus move, in a terminal, use MV or rename and include flags to preserve permissions and timestamps. Make sure to check for symbolic or hard links so you don't break references. Once done, resolve name conflicts by choosing overwrite, skip, or automatic rename. This ensures nothing is unintentionally replaced. Finally, verify the file appears in the new folder and retains expected properties. You finish by verifying integrity and updating references so everything keeps working. Open the file or run a checksum to confirm it transferred without corruption, and then update any shortcuts, library indexes, or applications that reference the original location. Once verification succeeds, remove the backup if you no longer need it. If something goes wrong, files missing, corrupted, or broken links, restore the original from your backup immediately. Then repeat the move with stricter preservation flags and careful conflict handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.